Hey guys, Luke here from Killer Ink, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Fraktal Range, a collection of simple but incredibly useful studio essentials, designed to make tattooing cleaner, more efficient, and more organized. Before we start though, we have actually hidden a 10% discount code for the whole Fraktal range somewhere within this video, so make sure to keep your eyes peeled. And once you find it, definitely be quick, because it's only available for the first 100 customers. Okay, so Fraktal has become a favorite amongst artists worldwide, including Vida Ink, Thomas Vincent, Sampagita J, Victoria Lee, and Steve Butcher, who've all integrated Fraktal products into their setup. So let's take a look at why their range is so popular. First up, the Fraktal Sponge. If you've ever had trouble cleaning your needles during a session, this one's definitely for you. The high-density needle cleaning sponge helps clean ink from cartridges quickly and without mess during sessions. There's no need for excessive rinsing, and you can maintain a cleaner transition when switching between colors. It's simple, practical, and one of those products that you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Okay, so anybody who's ever worked with aftercare, glide, or processed butter pots knows just how quickly your workstation can get crowded. The Frak butter holder features a built-in separator that keeps up to 2 aftercare products organized, secure, and easily accessible throughout the session. It's a small addition to your setup that helps improve workflow and keeps everything where you need it. So organization is one of the biggest factors in maintaining consistent workflow, and that's where the Fraktal Needle Cartridge Organiser comes in. It keeps cartridges secure, organized, and ready to use while you work. So whether you're swapping between liners, shaders, or magnums, having everything arranged can really stop the interruptions and keep you focused on the tattoo. The Fraktal Ink Bottle Organiser is designed to hold 4 ink bottles, keeping them stable and within reach throughout your session. It helps to create a cleaner workspace whilst reducing the chances of spills or bottles being knocked over. For artists who use a core set of colours regularly, this is a no-brainer. The best part about Fraktal is that all of the components can be stacked and interlocked with each other, so you can build your setup exactly how you want. So that's the Fraktal range. Every product is designed around fixing small but common studio frustrations, whether that's organizing cartridges, managing ink bottles, cleaning needles, or keeping aftercare products accessible. Individually, they're useful, but together they help to create a cleaner, more organized, efficient workflow. And don't forget, there's still a 10% discount code hidden somewhere within this video. But be quick, because like we said, there's only 100 people that can redeem it. Let us know which Fraktal product has become a staple in your setup. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the Killer Ink YouTube channel.